Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Kia flip key battery used for many different models of Kia: Sedona, Optima, Sportage, Sorento, mostly after 2016. The battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. Very easy. All you have to do is open the key, flip it over, and then just pull back the cover, just like that. Okay? Now to take a small screwdriver, flathead, and gently take the battery out. The plus sign should be up. And gently take it out. This is a good battery, so I will use it again. As I said, the plus sign up, and then we gently pull the first part and then we push. Okay, and that's basically about it. Put the cover back and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you.